Suitcase.
Suitcase.
Always a suitcase.
Suitcase.
Suitcase, hands down.
Now, I took a backpack each time, and then every time I took it, I regretted it.
I am a backpack gal, contrary to everybody else's opinion.
Suitcase. Ain't trying to lumber a backpack around with me. 4-wheel suitcase all day.
Camera, because I love taking pictures at camp and after camp.
Welsh flag, because everyone thinks I'm English, but I'm not.
I get about £3 worth of face wipes from England, take it with me, so then I have face wipes for the whole summer.
A watch, because you just need to know the time, didn't you?
I couldn't live without Cadbury's, so I packed loads to last me all the way through summer.
Hot sauce.
Tea bags, PG tips.
Mine would actually be my travel journal. I journaled every summer that I was at camp, and it really was nice to just reflect on the day at the end and write down all the funny things that happened, and I still look back on the journal now.
Don't fill your suitcase all the way to the top because you'll get given stuff at camp or travelling, or you'll buy stuff and you'll want to put it in your suitcase.
Packing cubes. So organised. You can have t-shirts in one, shorts in one, socks. Yeah, cubes.
You will end up wearing the same clothes mostly every week. So like I wore the same clothes and I just alternated my clothes every week. So literally just pack lightly.
My tip for packing is not to fold all of your clothes in your suitcase/backpack, but to roll. Roll.
Roll.
Roll. Rolling, rolling, rolling. No?
Any toiletries, don't worry about them because they can all be because they can all be brought when you're out there.
I'd keep electronics to like the bare minimum. Nothing that you kind of are going to be really devastated if it breaks.
I took my laptop, but mainly because I had to. You don't need it really. I took my phone, and that's all I took. That's all I really needed.
I didn't take electronics, I just took my phone.
I always take my iPad, keep it safe though, because it's your responsibility.
You can take your phone, you might not be able to use it at camp, but laptop, don't, because I broke mine because it got too hot, so no.
I wouldn't recommend taking any technology that you can actually live without because it's just causes you a lot of worry, making sure that it's always safe, and camp's very rustic. There's a lot of dust.
So I recommend not packing anything that you're worried about getting ruined at camp.
Your dog.
Don't pack a hairdryer because they're really big and take up loads of room in your suitcase, and also there'll probably be one at camp.
Your mum. Or dad.
Don't bother packing a hair straightener. I packed it my first summer. As soon as I put it in, the fuse went and it was GHDs and I was heartbroken.
3 months without putting any heat on your hair is actually very good for it. So I would say just let loose, live a little.
One of the other girls in the office takes a little handful of pennies and bribes the kids at camp with them because they've never seen a penny before and they want one, so take some pennies.
I would take spray deodorant because Americans don't know what it is, so they use that roll-on and Merv, like, who does that? First, and you can't share roll-on, like, it's awkward. Just wipe it on your arms, I'm not wiping it on mine.
I always took a teddy, not for myself, but for like when you get a homesick camper, it's good to just give that teddy to them. It helps. Cute. I know, I'm so cute.
I would get a lot of Dr. Seuss books and would read to them before bed, just because it helps them when they're homesick.
Tea bags, take tea bags, because you know, I don't even drink tea, but apparently it's rubbish in America. And if you're the one with English tea bags or British tea bags, you'll be the popular one. So, friends.
A adapter and then three plug extension lead, because that way you'll only need one adapter instead of 3.
I would just say take as many pairs of socks as you can and then times it by 2, because you're always going to lose it. When you wash, the washing machine's going to eat them.